Okay, so this is a how-to video on how to remove rust from old Olympic weights. It's a great way to find cheap weights. I paid about $40 for about 275 pounds in weights. So first thing you want to do, get yourself a steel brush. I got this at Walmart for about $4. And then you're just gonna brush off all that rust and clean it up. Next thing you're gonna want to do is get some soap. Some dish soap preferably because it's tough on grease, and just wash the blade off after you're done brushing it. After you're done washing, you're going to go ahead and dry it off and get prepared to put on the Rust-Oleum. Alright, so after you're done washing and drying the plates, you're going to want to get this from Walmart. Paid about $6 for it. It's Rust-Oleum Rust Reformer. It will convert that rust to a protected and paintable surface. So definitely pick this up. Do not skip this step. Alright, so this is about 1 coat of that Rust-Oleum Rust Reformer. So, looking pretty nice, just about 1 coat. And once this is completely dry, you're going to want to flip them over and do the other side. And also, do not forget to spray down inside here with the Rust-Oleum, okay? Alrighty. Okay, so after the Rust Reformer is finished drying, you're going to want to pick this up. It's about $4 at Walmart, Rust Protector. So it adds just that extra layer of protection to make sure that rust does not come back. If you want, after you get this, you can get the Rust-Oleum hammered silver finish look if you want. A lot of people like that to match the current weight set that they already have. But this, for now, it'll do. Alright, there they are. These guys got the rust protector on them. They've been rust reformed. And now they're just ready for whatever paint you may choose. And that is Olympic weight restoration.